This is an elevator. Oh, I've never seen this one. Oh, we're on him. I have no idea where this goes, but it's near the Luxon at the shops at Mandalay Place. Says apparently it's got a call. Yeah, it's just a shuttle elevator, I guess. Rather basic elevator. Nothing too fancy about it. That's it.